Okay, what's this one?
And this one here, if you put too much of this true stick in the roots to bust the back of them.
Really?
Yeah, if you put too much of it in it, boil them up and bust the back of them. I'll fly off the head off of them. You can't put too much of it in there, you have to just put a little piece in the roots.
Okay.
Yeah.
Power.
This one is marigold. That's when we first time Gold Bush where we used to jar and drink before we know anything about
Bush.
the other bush. Yeah, this is the original Gold Bush, marigold. Yeah. Run Whis. Whis is run and it blooms some yellow flowers, almost like a Spanish needle. Yeah, we just boil it and drink it for cold.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do your children have a lot of colds here? No?
No, not really, you know.
Because you
Not
have
really.
all the herbs.
Yeah, man, we boil bush and give them, man. Anytime I see like them, I go sick or them feel ill also. Yeah, I must great things happen where I can't really help. That's when I went to the doctor, you know.
Okay.